Hello friends, welcome to my channel Cubing Lab, and today I will show you that how we solve this LAN rhombic icosahedron Rubik's cube. So this is very difficult Rubik's cube, and if we can solve cane ball Rubik's cube, so we can solve this cube easily because cane ball and this rhombic icosahedron are both same. So before starting video, i I tell you about its pieces. So in this cube we have 8 different colors as like orange, white, gray, green. So same as it is in down layer we have red, yellow, blue and purple, and we can divide this cube in two parts. So this is our half part and this is our another half part, and in every color, as like this is our gray color, so in every color we have 3 corner piece, as this is this small 2 sticker piece, this is our corner. So this is our gray portion. So in this portion, this triangle piece is our center piece, these 3 pieces are our edge pieces, and these 3 are our corner. So same in every color we have 3 corner piece, 3 edge piece and 1 center piece. And in this cube we use algorithm like this is our right side, so right up, front up, right down, front down. Again we will apply right up, front up, right down, front down. So this algorithm we will use in this cube. So now I scramble this cube and then we will solve this cube step by step. So now I scramble this cube properly. So in this cube, our first step, that we can start our cube from any triangle piece. So we can select any triangle piece, like this is our gray triangle piece, this is our green triangle, orange. So we can select any one triangle piece. For example, I select this orange triangle piece. So first my first step, that another orange edge piece I will attach with this. So this is our orange edge piece. So first we keep this piece like that in vertical position. Now I rotate this top layer and match with this. So now you can see we have fixed our one edge piece with this piece. So now we will save these two pieces. So we will bring it up. Now if we rotate like that, so we can see that these two are properly matched. So now our next step, that another orange edge piece, we will connect one orange edge piece with orange corner. So this is our orange edge piece. First we will bring it up. So if we rotate like that, so you can see this is not matching with this. So first we will rotate out of the way, then rotate this front side. So now we replace the side of this corner piece. Now we easily match these two pieces. So we have matched these two pieces. So now we will put these two pieces vertical position. So first we will bring these two pieces in top layer and then rotate this layer like that. Now you can see our these two pieces are in vertical position. So now we will bring this portion. So these are not proper matching with this. So we will select another orange edge piece. So first we will find another orange. So there is another orange edge piece. So first we will bring it up, then we match this orange edge piece with this corner. So these two are matched properly. Now we will rotate over this side like that. So these two are vertical position. So now we will bring this to this. So now we can see this is properly fixed. So we have create an like arrow. So now we will put this orange side in our top face. So now we will rotate this top face, so we can see these are all fixed. So this is our step complete. Now we will match these three pieces. So these two are matched. Now another corner we will match this side. So first we will bring it up, take out of the way and rotate this circle. So now we have rotated. So we also rotate this orange side. So now you can see we rotate this side. So now we match these two pieces with this. So we can see this is not matched with this. So first we will bring out of the way and rotate this corner piece. So we will rotate our front face like that. So now we will match this. So now you can see we match our last edge piece with these two corner pieces. So now we will rotate this portion vertically. So we have rotated this and then bring it up. So there we will use algorithm to bring it up. So now we can see if we rotate our front face, so we can see our this portion can rotate. So from there we will apply our algorithm. So algorithm is front up, right up, front down, right down. Once again we will apply same algorithm, front up, right up, front down, right down. So now we have rotated. So now we can see this is our one portion and this is our second. So we will just match with this. So we have completed our orange face. So now we will keep this portion in our bottom layer. So this is saved. Now we can select another triangle piece. So any one piece we can select. So if I select yellow piece, so that is better because one edge piece is already connected with this. So simply we will rotate like that and bring it up in top layer. So now we will match this piece with any corner piece. So we can see this is not matching properly, so we will bring out of the way. So now rotate this front face as like that. So now we will rotate back, so we can see this is matched properly. So once again we will keep this piece a portion like vertical position. So we will apply algorithm from right side, because if we rotate right side we can see our piece properly, we can place vertical. So this time we will apply our algorithm from right side. So right up, front up, right down, front down, again same, right up, front up, right down, front down. So we can see we keep our this portion like vertical. So now we will match with this. So we can see this is properly matched. So we have create another arrow. So this is our safe portion. So now we will bring it up like that. Now if we move this side, so our this portion will safe. Now our next step, we will match this edge with their two corners. So one yellow corner is here, so we will rotate like that and fix with properly. So now first we will rotate this piece like that, I mean vertical position. So if we rotate our right side, so we can move our piece like that. So we can rotate our piece like that because we will connect another piece from this side. So we will apply our algorithm from this side. So right up, front up, right down, front down, again right up, front up, right down, front down. So now our piece we have in our we can say horizontal position. So first we will take out of the way, we will save our this portion and we will bring up this last corner. So we will bring it up. Now we will match with this. So we can see this match with this properly. So if we uh, apply our algorithm from left side, so we can see our piece will remain in this situation. So our requirement, if we rotate our piece like vertical, so we will use our right side. So right up, front up, right down, front down. Once again we will apply same algorithm, right up, front up, right down, front down. So now we can see our piece in vertical position. So we will match with this. So if we match with this, so we can see we have completed our yellow face. So we have completed our yellow and we will save this portion in our bottom layer. So we have completed our two faces. So once again we will select any triangle piece. So this time I can select green piece because green and orange, so green center and green edge piece are already matched. So this is our first step. Now our second step, we will find another green edge piece and match with green corner piece. So this is our green corner. So first we will take out of the way like that. So now we can see this is our portion safe. So we'll bring it up this green corner, and these two are safe. So now we will match this green with this. So we match our green. So now we will bring in this position in vertical situation. So if we apply our algorithm from left side, front side, so this is not rotating like that. So we will try our algorithm from right side. So we can see this is vertical. So we will apply our algorithm from right side. So right up, front up, right down, front down, again right up, front up, right down, front down. So we can see our these two pieces are in vertical situation and these are our in safe position. So now we will bring this green portion and we can see we have created another green arrow. So we will just rotate in our top layer. So our this portion is properly safe. So we have saved our this portion. Now we will find another green edge piece. So this is our green edge piece and we connect one corner green piece in this side and one another in this side. So there is our green corner piece. So we will rotate this layer. So now we can see this is not matched with properly. So we will take out of the way and we will see that our these two are safe. So now we will rotate our this portion like that. So now our corner is rotate from this side. So now we can see we have connect green edge piece with this green corner. So now we will connect another green corner piece in this side. So first we will rotate this piece like that because we will connect another green piece in this side. So our algorithm will apply from our right side. So right side up, front up, right down, front down. Once again right side up, front up, right down, front down. So we can see we rotate our this piece. So our last corner piece is there. So first we will bring in this portion. So we will rotate this side. So we will apply our algorithm from front side. So front up, front down, right down, again front up, front down, right down. So now we will match this corner in this side. So first we will bring in this side in safe position and we will also save our these two portion like that. So now we will rotate our green from this side. So we will rotate our front side So these two are save. So now we will bring it back. So now you can see we have connected our two green corner piece with last green edge piece. So now we will rotate this portion in this situation, I mean vertical position. So from front side we cannot rotate this piece like that. So we will apply our algorithm from right side. So right up, front up, right down, front down, right up, front up, right down, front down. Now we can see we have rotate over this portion. Now we will rotate our top side and match green with green. So now we can see we have completed our third portion. So we will bring in down layer. So green, yellow, orange. So three color we have completed, and now once again we will select any one triangle piece. So we will select blue triangle. So first we will match this triangle with this edge piece. So we need to rotate this piece like in this situation. So if we apply our algorithm from front side, so we can rotate over this piece. So we will apply our algorithm from front side. So front up, right up, front down, right down. So again we will apply algorithm front up, right up, front down, right down. So we have rotate our this piece. So now we will match this blue with this edge piece. So we have matched properly. So now we will save these two pieces in our top layer. So we will apply our algorithm from right side, because when we rotate our right side, so we can see these two we will save in our top position. So right up, right down, front down, second time, right up, right down, front down. So you can see we have saved our these two pieces. So our next task, we will match this edge piece with any corner piece. So we can see we cannot match this piece with this, and also cannot match with this. So we will try from this piece. So we can see we have matched properly. So we match these two pieces. Now we will rotate these pieces like that. So from right side we can rotate like that, because when we rotate right side, so these two will in this position. So from right side we will apply right up, right down, front down, again right up, right down, front down. So we have rotated. Now we will rotate our top portion. So now you can see we have created another blue arrow. So now we will save this blue portion in our top position. So if we start from front side, so we cannot save this blue. So we will, if we start our algorithm from right side, so we can see our blue portion will save in our top position. So we will apply our algorithm from right side, right up, right down, front down, right up, right down, and front down. So now we can see we have saved our this portion in our top layer. So now we will match two blue corner with this last edge piece. So if we rotate this piece in this side, so we can see we cannot match with this blue. So first we will change this position. So from right side we will apply our algorithm: right up, right down, front down, again right up, right down, and front down. So now you can see, so this is not matching properly. So again we will start our algorithm from any different side. So front up, front down, right down, front up, front down, right down. So now we can see we easily match this edge with this corner. So these two are matched. Now we will match another blue corner piece. So we will rotate this piece like that. We transfer this corner in this side. So from right side, if we rotate this piece, so we can see we have changed this face. So right side, from right side we will apply algorithm: right up, right down, front down, right up, right down, front down. So we rotate this piece. So now we will find our last blue corner. So there is our blue corner. So first we will bring it up. So we will apply algorithm from this side: right up, right down, front down, right up, right down, and front down. So once again we will apply our algorithm because this is in our bottom layer. So first we will save these two pieces in our down layer, and now we can see our blue we have rotated in our top layer. So now we can try. So we can see we have properly matched with this corner. So we have matched blue corner. Now we will rotate this portion in vertical position. So from right side we can rotate, because when we rotate our right side we can see our piece will rotate, we will rotate in vertical situation. So we will apply our algorithm from right side. So right up, right down, front down, right up, right down, and front down. So we have rotated. Now we will match this portion with this. So we have completed our blue face. So now we will save our this blue portion in this layer. So these three are our complete faces. Now we will replace this with this. So simply we can do R prime, D prime, R, D. So now we can see we have completed our 4 face and our 50% cube is completed. So our bottom layer is complete. Now in next part I will tell you that how we can solve our top portion. So our bottom side is completed.